Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muskan Agarwal, and if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Muskan. I record content around my personal life, skincare, makeup, and whatever I can share. I'm also figuring out, and I'm also figuring out my way through YouTube. And in this video, I don't know if you guys already know, but I recently took a trip to Europe wherein we went to Paris, Amsterdam, and Brussels in Belgium. And I wore a couple of dresses, and a lot of people DM'd me on Instagram that, where is this dress from, or can you please give me the breakdown of the cost and everything. So I was like, okay, why not, why not make a video of everything, like not everything actually, one of the most requested dresses I have here with me. And I just want to tell you, how did I style it up, what was the cost breakdown, what is the brand and everything, so that probably if you guys liked it, you can also buy it. And just can you guys just appreciate the band? I took this for Paris from Urbanic only. And one of the pictures that I uploaded on Instagram wearing this particular bow and a leather jacket, like you guys have showed so much of love with that. I did not expect that. And randomly one day, it was not planned कि ये bow के साथ I'll be wearing that leather jacket and everything. But once I wore it, I was like, okay, it is making me feel so strong and so feminine at the same time. Why don't we just pair it up? Okay. Without any further buck, let me just start it down with the very first dress. So I'll be popping up the images of that particular day here and there somewhere. So this dress, I wore it on the day one. This is a very pretty, it has like, what do you say, like woolenish kind of texture, because Paris में it's not winter but it's very windy, it's little bit of cold. And अगर आप इंडिया से जा रहे हो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंडी लगेगी आपको. So this is also high neck, and this is the dress length, मतलब around like knee तक आया होगा. And I wore that woolen leggings, and उसके ऊपर से white color those white leggings, and उसके ऊपर से I wore that sheer black color के net वाले जो leggings होते हैं. I wore this, and in the bottom I wore boots. This was the dress. I was very skeptical कि वो plain तो नहीं लगेगा, and with this I took like a black bag along with me. Here is the picture of the same, and it looked so chic. I mean, it looked so chic. Like it literally made me feel like that bougie girl in Paris. Let me give you the breakdown. So this dress is from Shein, but unfortunately Shein India में तो नहीं है. So one of my friend was coming from US. So I actually picked up a lot of dresses from Shein. So unfortunately they won't be available in India. But if some of your friend or somebody is coming from the US or some other country, probably you can just ask them. And I'm not sure of the price. I'll just pop it somewhere around here. And इसके साथ the boots also was from Amazon, and US का Amazon. I think it was for somewhere around $40. I'll anyways pop up the price somewhere here and there. And जो leggings थे that I ordered from Myntra, make sure you take good quality leggings, otherwise वो फट जाएगा. आप उसको पहनोगे and it will break, so there is no point. So take very good quality leggings. Now coming to day 2, I wore this very cute little black and white color का top. It's very light, इसमें कुछ है नहीं majorly. And what you can wear inside it, probably you can wear like pasties or some strapless bra or something like that. You can wear inside this. And इसके नीचे I wore this very pretty cute looking. So this is not a skirt. This is actually a skirt, which was very comfortable. So whenever I wear a skirt, I'm very, I always keep thinking ki yaar, like, is everything fine? And I'm always very uncomfortable, so I always prefer going for skirts. This is in the size extra small, but still this is a little thoda sa bada tha. And both of these I have ordered from Savannah by Urbanic, which is their new app. I'll pop up the price here and there, but pretty nice. Like both are very light, and especially the color of this is very bright pink color. So like ये बहुत, like this is a subtle tone and this is a bright tone. So like both of them complemented each other really well. And I had this like one bag. मेरे suitcase में जगह नहीं थी, and I am not an overpacker. I always pack less. I think I'm an underpacker. So I literally just kept like 2 bags, but usually I carried that, like if you must have seen my photos on Instagram. मैंने हर जगह एक ही बैग कैरी करा है, दैट ब्लैक ओजी बैग फ्रॉम H&M दैट आई हैव. सो दिस इज दैट. नाउ कमिंग टू डे नंबर 3. Oh my god, that was the most disastrous day. और day 3 और I think it was day 4. Okay, day 3 अभी cover करते हैं. So day 3 में I wore this dress. It is a very pretty dress. Let me just show it. So ये बहुत ही लंबी सी dress है. It is from H&M. I think everybody must have seen me wear this before also. मैंने पहनी थी last year birthday पर जो पहनी. I think it's very old dress, but I still like it a lot. So इधर it is very stretchy. So like इसमें I am in the size extra small. So like I feel अगर आप small भी हो, you can pick this up. This is very stretchy. Here it is very flowy, and you know these straps are also adjustable. तो कोई issue नहीं होता है as such. I love this dress because you know then I don't have to think what should I wear on top, what should I wear at bottom. Like this is just like एक dress डालो and then you are ready. Very comfortable but it is not very warm, to be honest. Like the day I wore it, it was not very what do you say, cold. It was not very hot at night. तो मुझे काफ़ी ठंड लग रही थी इसमें. So if you are going at some wintry places, make sure you pair it with something inside, or probably wear a coat on top of it, और इसके नीचे you wear those chic leggings or something. But yes, इसके साथ but इसके साथ I wore my heels, and this has this very cute floral print. I really love blues and floral prints on me. So yeah, this was day 3. Now coming to the next day, which was one of the most disastrous days on our trip. I'll soon put a vlog for that. It was the day when we reached Belgium, and just to give you guys a sneak peek, वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, a blooper, or just to give you guys a sneak peek, our car got towed and we ended up paying around like 37,000-40,000. It's fine. I'm not going to tell anything apart from this. You guys should go to that video, which will probably come like after this, I believe, and watch that. I've told the whole story. Like my heart was breaking. Like people were talking to the police, and I'm here making a vlog. But still, I did it for you guys. You guys should definitely go. So on that day, I literally had just 1 or 2 pictures, which I took before we left our Airbnb. बस उधर ही जो एक पिक्चर लिया था उसके अलावा I did not take any picture because probably the entire day was spent in getting our car back, going to the police station and everything. Like it was just not a very I was not in a very good mood to take like a lot of pictures, and also the sunlight was off and everything. So like we just chilled that day जितना भी time बचा था, and that one picture I just pop it somewhere here. So this is the dress, very pretty dress. Oh my god, I'm going to wear this someday once again. So here it is. You guys must have seen it in the pictures. Again, this is like this whole print is going on. I'm a very big fan of this print because मैंने देखा है like a lot of people are wearing this print and it looks really pretty. And this comes with this belt. So this is like a corset, not corset, but this is like ऊपर से it will give you a very good shape. And on the waist there is this belt that will come, and it looks really pretty. And it is a pretty short dress, but I wore, like it was a really cool day that day in Brussels, so I again wore those leggings and boots along with this, and I had that bun going on. So you know, like it really, after wearing this dress, it gave me a boss vibe. And it has these collars and everything. Very good dress. Again, this dress is not from India. This dress is from Urbanic US. I'll put the link down below if you guys can get it. If you guys like the dress, if you guys like how it looks on me, and if you guys want the same, probably you can order. Okay, next dress is this particular dress. So yeah, you can clearly see that I am a fan of florals at this particular point. So again, this has a green floral thingy going around, and it is a very pretty cute little short dress which I wore in Zandvoort in Amsterdam. And basically kuch nahi hai, and this is from this brand, I don't know, I think this is from Trendyol from Myntra. I think this was pretty expensive for what it is. I mean, it was anywhere around 2500 3000 rupees ka dress. I expected it to be little bit heavier quality, though the quality is not bad. I mean, it is good. Even inside it comes with like there is double layering, so it is not transparent in any situation. And even the straps, right, like once you tie and everything, they are very firm, khulenge nahi aapke. But for the price, it is from this brand called NLW Current Fashion. Myntra se order kari thi in the size small. You guys can just go and look up for it, probably a green floral dress. Anywhere I'll put the link down below. But yeah, this was a pretty floral dress, nothing much to talk about it. I loved wearing this dress, especially like there it was not like that day, it was not very like we went to the beach, and it is a very beachy and open vibe. Then we went to see those windmills and everything, and it was perfect for a summery day. Okay, now the last dress, not a dress actually, a top which I wore, and a lot of you asked me about that, where did you get it from and everything. So this is the top. I don't know इसमें clearly दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है, but this is like a halter neck top. I'll pop up the picture somewhere here. This is a halter neck top, so like once you wear it, it will come like ऐसे in the front, and in the bottom I wore this simple blue jeans. I don't have a picture of me wearing it there, but I do have a picture of me wearing it here in my house one day when I was going out. And when I uploaded the pictures, so many of you guys asked me about it. It is again, I think, from Urbanic. It is, I'll pop up the price here, but yeah, this top is really good, but it is a little uncomfortable. Like, I would not say that if you go to a club or somewhere wherein you have to be really out there comfortable, you guys wear this, because I probably you can wear it when you're going on a dinner or like a quiet wherein you do not have to move or anything. But otherwise this top is not very comfortable. And iske niche I wore this pretty blue jeans with a slit at the bottom. Look, the entire thing looked really pretty, but if you're wearing it, it might seem a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, these were all the dresses that I wore. Apart from this, of course, there was a couple of tops and jeans that I wore. Oh, how can I miss it? One dress, which is actually, I have given it in the laundry. I do not have it right now. The entire thing, I have given the leather jacket as well, because I wore it in almost every day and it was really dirty. The leather jacket and the pleated skirt and the black top, this combination I wore, it was not like सब कुछ साथ में था, I had to mix and match. So the leather jacket was from Zara. It was anywhere close to 5000.